What's up, Facebook? Ty Crandall with Credit Suite here, and today we're talking about something we've never talked about before, but something you need to know about. Today we're talking about LexisNexis. Now, if you don't know much about LexisNexis, that's okay. A lot of people don't know anything about LexisNexis. As a matter of fact, I just came back from a really high-level mastermind. I mean, these people all make $1 million, $100 million companies. And of this room that I sat in with $1 million to $100 million companies, I asked this question: how many of you have ever seen your LexisNexis credit report? And nobody in the entire room raised their hand. I think there was like 60 people there. So if you're not familiar with LexisNexis, that's okay. A lot of people aren't, but you should be. And here's why. LexisNexis is where the lenders and credit issuers and so many other organizations are getting your data, and they're making all kinds of decisions about you based on data you don't even have access to. So today I'm going to talk about who LexisNexis is, what they do, what kind of data they have. It's mind-blowing what you will find on your LexisNexis credit report. I mean, things like the building materials of your home, the type of roof you have, the type of air conditioning unit you have, all of that stuff's on your LexisNexis report. So I'm going to dive in. I'm going to teach you who they are, why they're important, how you can get their data, what their data is used for, who's using their data, everything you need to know. Angela, thanks for saying hello. So if y'all don't mind, give me a shout out. Tell me where you're from as we're jumping in and getting started. Brenda, hello. And here we are. Okay, so LexisNexis today, the scary truth about how much they know about you. Everybody type in, tell me where you're from, so we can all say hello from wherever you are in the country or the world. Started following you 2 weeks ago, Angela. Thank you. Appreciate that. All right, so here we go. LexisNexis. So first of all, they're a credit reporting agency, but here's why they're so different. They're not front-facing, okay? Usually we're used to credit reporting agencies that have front-facing data that as a consumer you can see. But what happens is they are operating behind the scenes, okay? So insurance companies, the government, financial services, debt collection, law enforcement, public safety, healthcare, all these organizations are using LexisNexis, and yet if you don't know that, then they're making all kinds of decisions. So let me give you an example. When you go to get insurance, and we got Miami, Florida, what's up? You better be going to Credit Fest. We will be at Credit